We've spent a couple months building this greenhouse, and I am super excited about all the little features. You know, I just wanted to go a little over the top. I wanted it to match my greenhouse because my greenhouse has been so fun. We really wanted to put a lot of detail into this coop, from our little kitchen scrap bucket at the bottom, our cabinet for holding all of our storage, the feeder that opens up when the animals step on it so that the food doesn't get wasted and no rodents can get inside. We have the lovely little roost that's in the yard itself, because sometimes they want to roost when they're not inside the small coop portion. I love the little cabinet because I'm able to keep all of the different things that I like to add to my chicken's diet right in there, and it's right next to the feeder. We have our lovely little dust bath, which if you want to see how to build that and what to fill it with, you can look at those videos. We also have the door that opens and shuts. It's kind of a rudimentary one. You can always get an automated one, but for us, since our run is safe and enclosed, we don't need one that closes automatically, and they can come and go as they please. I also love all the decorations that we have. The little bird nest on the outside, the chickens on the front with just that little bit of extra detail there. I love how we painted the hardware cloth black so that you can't see it as much. So it almost looks like there's windows there, even though it's just the window frames, which is great because this makes it match my greenhouse. Inside the coop, we have a super fun headboard roost, and you can watch the video for that if you want to see how to make it, but I just thought it was really cute and gave them a place to roost when they're inside the coop itself. I gave them some nice oversized nesting boxes. Those nesting boxes are accessible from the back side. I love the roofing material that we ended up using. We even put a layer of matching metal over the nesting box lid. It's just such a pretty copper color, and it has this really nice design to it with the ridges. It should work really well with our snow here in the wintertime. I also love the King's Post trusses that I designed. I love the little chicken weather vane. We tried to just add all kinds of details and fun things to this coop so that it would not only, be something that we kept our chickens in, but something that was just kind of a fun addition to our property. I hope you enjoyed looking at my coop and that it's inspired you to have some fun with your designs.